Yo guys, it's Dami and I'm back with another one. Today I have one of the best AirPod Pro second gens I've ever gotten from DhGate. I bought these with my own money and I have the link down below in the description. So far the packaging has been one-to-one, and when you do open it you get that designed by Apple in California paperwork with all the manual and instructions just like as real AirPod Pros would have. And it does come with USB-C to USB-C braided cable, and also to mention it has a silicone ear tips that you could change for different sizes for which one fits perfect in your ear. And over to the casing, you don't have that lettering designed by Apple in California. Then you have that lightning inserts, and at the bottom you do have that USB-C charging port with speakers that you can use to find the case using Find My. To pair these were very easy. I just held on the button at the back of the case, then it popped up saying connect the AirPods, which I did press or click on, and it paired to my iPhone, and after that it showed me the battery percentage of the AirPods and the case, which is amazing. Then I went to the settings page to check out all the settings and everything, and these do come with a serial number that I do check out even on each AirPod themselves, and I put these in my ear. I tested out ANC and transparency. I put these in my ear, turned on ANC, and I couldn't hear a single thing whatsoever. All I could hear was just the voices in my head. And transparency works as well flawlessly. You can hear everything around you. And one thing I did try to check was spatial audio, but sadly it doesn't work whatsoever. It just makes the music louder, and that's pretty much it. And guess what? Even the stem controls like pause and play, increasing the volume or decreasing it or changing the song to the next or the previous work like how it's supposed to. I have never gotten AirPod Pro second gens from DhGate that actually do this accurately and flawlessly. Oh yeah, and Siri works as well, which is surprising. You could ask it questions through the mic of the AirPods and it's going to hear you clearly. I tried this a few times even at the gym and it will read out the messages as well. I know you guys want to know about the sound quality, and I'm going to give this a solid 8.5 out of 10 in terms of sound and like the bass and everything. Everything was clear, there was no distortion whatsoever. And with all that being said, I have a bunch of vendors down below in the description that do offer these AirPods. You could buy from any of them, and I'm going to replace my current real AirPod 3s with these from DhGate, to be honest. Okay, hope you guys like this video. Go get some for yourself or resell. And just drop a like down below, subscribe, and I might catch you on the next one. Peace.